Hello, all taekwondoan from across Asia. Get ready for the Panglima TNI Cup 2025 in Indonesia. It is not just about the competition. It is about friendship, unity, and unforgettable experiences. Indonesia is safe, welcoming, and full of breathtaking destinations waiting for you. Don't miss it. See you in Indonesia at the Panglima TNI Cup 2025. Thank you. Good day.